Ready to bring your vision to life? In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how you can create a beautiful professional website using Canva. No coding skills required. Whether you are a small business owner, artist, or blogger, this easy process will have your site up and running in no time. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this channel and this video where I will show you how you can make a website using canva.com. So first of all, you have to do is open your web browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including websites using an intuitive drag and drop interface. It offers a wide range of templates, images, and design tools that simplify the web design process, making it accessible for users without coding or design experience. With Canva, you can easily customize layouts, add multimedia elements, and publish your website directly or export it for further use. So first of all I have to do is just click over sign up and write your email address and your password. If you already have an account, you click over here and you write your email address and you confirm your code, and then you will find this page. So to create a website on Canva, you have just to start by signing in to your account Canva and select the website option from the template menu. Browse through the various pre-designed templates that suit your style and purpose, and click on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few simple steps. So I will show you how you can do that deeply. So firstly, you have just to click over here and you click over Canva templates and you search about websites. For example, we have here several websites and various types of websites, so you can just choose the one you want. So as you can see, for example, here we have a various things and several examples. You choose the one you want. So after choosing one, you will find this page. So you'll just click over like this one, and then you click over customize now, and then customize this template, and you will find this page. So this is it. So right now I will modify this, as you can see. So about this one, we have here file, create new design, import files, settings. Here we have accessibility. If you want to save, move to a folder, make a copy, download, return history also, and then we have a resize, editing, commenting, viewing, and we have also here comments on, and we have here other things. Here we have my account, insights here, and we have your current page. Have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. Then we have your preview, publish website if you want. So we choose the color you want here, for example. So this is how it looks. Then we have here if you want to zoom, and for example if I want to delete something, for example I will delete this one and I will write something else, best website, for example I will write it here. We have if you want to add something, Then if you want to add the page, you do that, and then we have scroll view. Here we have also other things, and we have thumbnail views, as you can see. This is how it looks. This is our website. And here we have design, like templates. We have layouts, style. You can search website templates if you want to add a page here. And here we have layouts. We have website, portfolio, blog, and other things. We have also layouts, match style to brand. Here we have style here, create your brand. So then we have here elements also. And elements we have here shapes, frame, arrow, button, line, and other things. Choose the one you want. For example, you select the one you want, and if you scroll down, you'll find other things here. So choose the one you want, and you get started. Then you have your text. You can add a text box. For example, here add a paragraph text, magic write. You can add your print font and add a hidden, add a sub hidden, and add a level of body text font combination here. As you can see, you have other one here, workhouse. And then we have here brand also, brand kits. We have logos. You can upgrade to add logos, colors also, fonts, brand voice if you want to add also photos, graphics, icon, and we have upload something. So if you want to upload something like images, videos, then we have draw also. So if you want to add something here, so like that, so you can just draw, as you can see. Then we have also here quick action. So you choose the one you want. For example, I will write Canva. If you want to come back, you can just click over here, and I will add all these things and come back to the top. Also, you can choose here the color you want. So for example, I will write Canva. So this is how it works. And if you want to come back, and this is it. You can add also a page, and then you click on publish website, and then you share with that. So to create a website on Canva, start by signing into your Canva account and selecting the website option from the templates menu. Browse through the various pre-designed templates that suit your style and purpose, and click on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few simple steps. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.